About to go down. It's been a long time since I did this. Hey, I got a big gun, this my gun walk. I got a big gun, this my gun walk. They out here talking bullshit, it's just talk. I'm out here and I'm just doing my gun walk. Ride around and I get it. It's my gun, so I shoot it. Y'all niggas just pussies. Y'all got guns, y'all shoot them. Y'all niggas, y'all know who I'm talking to. Y'all are bitch niggas. I'm all on YouTube with these chop niggas. No, I ain't no dumb nigga, but y'all niggas know what I'm about. Told y'all I see you niggas, I'm going all in your mouth. Y'all niggas know what's up. Got guns like what the fuck? Follow me to my crib. Bitch, it look like Guns N' Roses. I told y'all we got strapped. Guns, yes, we shoot that. Oh, I was finna go on that bitch.
Okay, I got it. Okay, boy. Nigga, I don't do no fighting, let the loud smoke. These niggas talking shit, they see my cloud smoke. Right down the street, yeah, they smellin' loud smoke. They said he got the loud, but he ain't selling nothing shit. I said, hell no, nigga, this for my team. 35 balls in the basement. I don't do no arguing, let the balls smell. And if them hoes know, I bet them hoes tell. But I won't even know, I let the roll L. I let a bitch roll an L, she enjoy the smell.
Hey, let them know how it go when I touch the town. 100 rounds, 50 rounds, it don't matter now. Cause everything I had is empty, it's empty now. Cause niggas laying down upon the fucking ground. I asked about Big B, and he the youngin' see. It's tatted on my arm and so it's official G. You tryna play with B, call my goons up G. Them gorilla mob niggas, Jamel nigga. They ain't no drama, they don't know drama. But if you call that drama, they gon' bring them llamas to your grave, to your mama. It don't matter, G, ain't no in me.
Hey, pussy niggas really don't want drama. I come and kidnap their baby mama. I'm on savage shit, nigga, I am real with this. Hit the battlefield with this toolie, I'ma damage shit, I manage this. Told y'all niggas I will go ham, no sandwich. Y'all niggas will get folded, a boat sandwich. Pussy nigga, told y'all we pullin' triggers. Y'all niggas really don't want smoke, we out here chasing figures. Told y'all I'm smoking loud, got loud by the pound. If you got loud by the pound, it's going down. Told y'all I ride around, got that Glock in my coupe. Told y'all I'm riding around in my coupe. Ain't got no roof, I'm snapping out. Snap back, no tattoos on that. I'm riding around.
No arguing, let the plants go.
Bitch!
And I got them stamps up.
Tell them niggas tip.
You know me, nigga, I'm a champ, ho.
Get them.
I roll with nothing but some motherfucking J's. And we all get money, stay fucking dreams.
Tell them niggas, bro.
If you really know, you better get your knees. You better beg for your life. I want to hear you please. If you get killed tonight, these bitches know I'm riding with the pipe. And it's gonna be a long fucking night.
Bitch!
One night, one fucking pipe. If I see him at the gas station, I blow it right up.
Been in the trap house for 7 days, smelling like a moose. Ooh yeah, maybe even a goose. Yeah, you see poo. Yeah, in the duck off, waiting on the nigga. Yeah, I heard it, he was talking, got the hood and ruins, nigga. Now we fooling off the uppercut. Now put a uppercut. We ain't tripping, nigga, what? 100 cause we riding what? Riding on the beat. Yeah, banging bitches, yeah. And I might be with your main thing. I know it's a damn shame. She giving brain out the ass. It ain't a damn thing wrong. Yeah, she was going for the team. Yeah, you know it's like.